Now the first thing I want to mention is some of the safes, like sturdy gun safes, will have a thick bottom. It is far better to set these safes in position and then drill through the bottom. Of course the holes are there, but you have to drill the floor and then set your bolt. Don't attempt to drill and set your bolts and then move the safe into place. You will need safety glasses. You'll also need ear protection, and the proper bolts. I'm going to explain the various types of bolts that we have for anchoring to cement, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Next cement anchor we're going to use is called a shield. We used to call them shackles. In the old days they were made out of lead. The new ones are made out of some kind of aluminum, a cast aluminum, maybe even pot metal. They're not my favorite, and the reason being is, well, it takes a bigger hole for a 1/2 inch bolt. It takes a 3/4 inch shield or a 3/4 inch hole, so this shield will drop down into it. Now you want to drop this down about 2 inches to 2 1/4 inches if you want to go a little below the cement, and we're going to go ahead and drill the hole now. And usually they just push right in, and sometimes you have to tap them in. We've made that about 2 1/4 inches. I'm going to start the bolt. That down a little more. And then as you tighten this bolt, it will flare the anchor out. Now, I believe that these are probably the weakest type of cement anchor. So I don't recommend these, but this is how they work. We're going to put some of these to the test right now. Now the problem with these shields is, well, if you get the bolt long enough to actually tighten up and get it tight in there, it has to be the exact length when it's tight to be all the way down against the safe floor, which is another reason I don't like them. You see here, we're going to raise it up off of the cement, or I should say out of its threaded hole, a 1/4 inch, and that's probably going to affect how strong the shackle grips the cement. But like I say, it's one of the problems with these things. As you can see, it pulled right out.